previous classes, we have discussed about the chromosomal theory of inheritance, and in that previous classes, we have discussed about the Morgan's experiment of Drosophila melanogaster. Now comes to another concept, that is the linkage. Draw a diagram of the chromosome. Okay, suppose this is the chromosome. As you know that the chromosomal theory of inheritance told that all the genes that are present over the chromosome. Kana kouche? Sabu genes they are present over the chromosome. Gene mane kena present, they are present over the chromosomes. Okay, suppose these are the gene A, B, C, D, E, F. Manaka A, B, C, D, E, F. Just chota manaka gene la they are present over the chromosome. And before we going to linkage part, let me clear you about the linked genes. What is linked genes? Okay, linked genes kaha ke boलছো? Linked genes are the genes which are present over a same chromosome. The genes which are present over a same chromosome, that is called as linked gene. Here, these are the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, E, F. These are the genes present over a chromosome. So all these six genes on a same chromosome, they will be called as what? These are called as linked genes. Okay. So what is the definition of linked gene? The genes which are present over a same chromosome are called linked gene. Okay, so these are the linked gene present over a chromosome. But what is the definition of linkage? Okay, linkage kana kouche? These linked genes have the tendency to stay together from one generation to another generation. Kana kouche? These linked genes have the tendency to stay together from one generation to another. Okay, गुटे जनरेशन रो गुटे जनरेशन के जते बेले ए लिंक जीन माने ट्रांसफर होचन, जति लिंक जीन्स गुटे जनरेशन रो गुटे जनरेशन के ट्रांसफर हला, then the ability of these genes, okay, इजन जीन माकर गुटे एबिलिटी अछि to stay together, एका संगे रहबार गुटे एबिलिटी अछि while transferring from one generation to another generation, that is called as what? That is called as linkage. Okay, if we see the discovery of this linkage, first of all, the linkage was stopped by two scientists. One is Martinson and Punnett. Okay, you know that Martinson coined the term genetics. Okay, and Punnett, we have already associated of these two scientists. Okay, what are the works done by Martinson and the Punnett? And we know that Punnett, during our monohybrid cross or dihybrid cross, we are using some boards or checker boards. Okay, he is the person who discovered that or who make this checker. Okay, so Martinson and Punnett, we first of all talked about the linkage, and during their experiment, they took sweet pea. For their experiment. Now this is the experimental material. Okay, but this linkage is also proved by our. Okay, but this linkage was proved by Morgan. Okay, and you know that it proved Drosophila melanogaster. Okay. Next, come to another concept, that is linkage group. What is linkage group? Okay. If you say linkage group, number of, okay, group means one number of, here in case of linkage group, when the linked genes, okay, the linked genes are the genes which are present over the same chromosome. Here there is presence of 6 number of genes in a chromosome. So these are forming one linkage group. Okay, this is one linkage group. Linkage group means the number of genes, okay, the total number of genes which are present over a same chromosome, they are making one linkage group. Okay, linkage group means the number of genes present over a same chromosome. Okay, the total number of genes. Okay, the total number of genes present over the same chromosome, that is making a linkage group. Okay, so if you see a linkage group in different organisms, okay, you want to see in case of human being. In case of human being, how many linkage group will be present in a cell? Here, for the calculation of this linkage group, we should follow a small linkage group, or linkage group is equal to total number of chromosome present in a haploid cell. Okay, linkage group ଗୋଟେ organism ରେ କେତେଟା linkage group present ଥିବା ସେଟା ଯଦି ଆମକୁ calculation करवार ଅଛି, then that is the total number of chromosome present in a haploid cell. ଗୋଟେ haploid cell रे केते number of chromosome present थिबे सेटा के कहउछ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ सेटा ही कहउछ ଆମେ linkage group. सेटकिटा linkage group सेटा present. A human being case रे ଯଦି ଆମେ consider करछु, how many chromosomes are present in the haploid cell? As you know that in case of human being, in a haploid cell there is presence of 23 numbers of chromosomes. Okay, there is presence of 23 numbers of chromosomes in the haploid cell. That means in the human being there is presence of 23 groups. But this is not purely true, because as you know that in case of human being, what happens? In case of human being, there is two sexes. One is male sex, another is female individual or female sex. Okay. In case of male individual, there is presence of 46 chromosomes. Here also in case of female, there is also 46 chromosomes. But these 46 chromosomes means what? There is presence of 44 number of autosomes and XY type of sex chromosome. Here there is presence of 44 number of autosomes of XX type of sex chromosome. Okay. So during the calculation of the linkage group, we have to consider the haploid one. Means half of the chromosome will be considered here. Thus, out of this 44, 22 will be calculated here, and out of this XY, as you know that the chromosome which are present over a chromosome, that is making a one linkage group. So the genes which are present over a X chromosome, that will forming one linkage group. The genes which are present over Y chromosome, that will be making another linkage group. So in case of human male, how many linkage group will be present? There will be presence of 24 numbers of linkage group. One is in case of your female individual. Out of this 44, we have to 22 plus. Out of this 2, as you know that X chromosome, both are similar. That means the linkage group present in the X, both the X, that will be 7. So here we will consider half, means only 1. Then here there will be presence of 23 number of linkage. Okay. So in case of human male, there will be presence of 24 linkage groups, whereas the linkage group in case of female, that is a 23. When we will consider about the Python sativum, in case of Python sativum, there is presence of 14 chromosomes. In the diploid organism, there is presence of 14 chromosomes. But in linkage group, we are considering haploid cell. Means in the haploid cell, there will be presence of haploid linkage group. Okay. In case of rice, there is presence of 24 number of chromosomes. That means 12 pair of chromosomes are present there. Thus, there will be presence of 12 linkage group. Okay. So this is about your linkage and linkage group. In the upcoming classes, we will discuss about the chromosomal theory of the linkage that was given by Morgan and Test. Okay. Thank you.